What's up, YouTube? Francis and Ned here. So I just got a message from Gumtree. Apparently they deleted one of my ads, saying, "Thank you so much for using Gumtree. Regrettably, we had to remove this ad because it had been reported by the community for not following all of our site's policies. We do not allow ads that facilitate infringement on a copyright in any manner, including those selling or wanting replica or counterfeit items. Please do feel free to post a new ad as long as it's in accordance with our policies." If you happen to see other ads like this up on the site, we encourage you to use each ad's "Report this ads" button to bring them to our attention. Refunds for removed paid ads are automatically distributed by our computer system and, if applicable, should appear in the associated account within 3 to 5 business days. Please refer to the links below for any further inquiries. We apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your patience and understanding. We ask that in the future you review the Gumtree terms of use for posting an ad on this site. If you don't agree with the deletion of your ad, please contact us by clicking "I don't agree" link below, and we will review your appeal. Okay, so allow me to show you the ad I posted yesterday and soon afterwards got deleted. Gumtree eBay Entrepreneurship Training Course Package. So can you see anything that seems conflicted with the, or contradicts Gumtree posting policies? Can you see anything? I believe not. So how about we we make some small modifications on the ad we posted previously and see if Gumtree can accept that. So I changed Gumtree eBay Entrepreneurship Training Course Package to e-commerce Entrepreneurship Training Course Package, e-commerce. And I modified a few parameters. And I changed their sequence. Sorry, not this one. Design effective. For your employees, yeah. Okay, let's see if Gumtree accepts this post. Saving, just in case it doesn't, I will create a backup here. A backup, yeah. Okay, created. Okay, I won't post anything that contradicts Gumtree posting policy, or at least I thought. I'm still trying not to. Okay. Let's see, post. Done. Let's see if it gets accepted by Gumtree or not. Under review. So perhaps it can still get deleted afterwards. Anyway, thank you. Okay, so as you can see here, our ad successfully got accepted by Gumtree. So Gumtree apparently, or at least seemingly, Gumtree has acknowledged the legitimacy of our ad. So, Gumtree acknowledged our legitimacy of the ad after around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes after after we posted the ad. It took Gumtree around 30 minutes to review the ad we posted, and it eventually got approved. But perhaps Gumtree could still remove it once it deems this ad inappropriate, because similar events occurred to me several times, for more times than I care to remember. Anyway, good luck with your Gumtree marketing campaign. Anyway, thank you for watching and listening. I'm your host, Francis Indeed. I shall see you on the next video on YouTube. Stay faithful, stay blessed, stay tuned. Cheers.